What's up guys, on today's video I want to show you guys how you can create an election flyer design just by using your smartphone. So as you guys know, the elections is getting here. So if you have, maybe you're in school or anywhere and then you're given a project like this to design an election flyer for anything, I'm going to show you guys how to go about it and how you can be able to like create something nice with your smartphone. So what you need to do right now, just to delete this default text, and then not to using your image size. So for the height, I'm going to use 640, and then for this one I think I'm going to use 454. No, let me just use 453. So I think this aspect ratio is good. So as you guys know, it's different from our normal flyer, but I just want it to have that kind of shape, height, and then width to not be that large. So I think this is good like this. And then the first thing to do over here is just to have a white color gradient. So I hope you guys are really understanding this. Have a white color gradient, and now you can be able to do that. Your Pixellab is going to appear like this, and then just need to select it at this section, like heading to the last, and you can see the color code. So I'm just going to select this one also, and I can just raise it a bit here. So it's just going to be like white, but it's not that really white. So I think this edges on top is just really showing it. So I'll just close it again, and that should fix it. So I can just drag this here and drag this here, so it can give it. So I think that is good. So you can just save this right now and then lock it. So when you lock it, we're going to be importing the person we're going to be using for it. So the kind of politician. So I'll just import the image right now. So you guys can see over here. So I got this image from Pinterest. So you guys can see right now. So you can just be able to download the resources in the description box below. So I'll just be able to do this. I'll just adjust it here. It's just going to have that kind of selection, and it's just going to be like this. And after it is up positioned, you can just lock this, and then you're now using your saturation tool. So you just use your saturation tool to like kind of make it black, so the image doesn't need to appear that. They can just like work on it a bit on this hue to give it that color. They just like, you can kind of reduce the brightness, but the contrast is really important to make the image pop out well. Then you can just like work on your brightness a bit, and I think this how it's going to be. So you guys have seen flyers like this and you're wondering how it's done. So your smartphone can do that. So you just need to adjust it, and then you can see it's already locked. So what I need to do right now is just to create this one of white layer where we're going to put in the state and everything. So I'll be using iNEC right now for it. If you're in Nigeria, you understand what iNEC is. So I will be using it. I'm not putting any state. So you can just like put this rectangle over here, and it's just going to be like this. So this is it. Like I just locked it. So it's just like a simple flyer. I will just draw this cycle over here, reduce it a bit, then I can position it as you can see right now. So when it's positioned, it's just going to be like this. You can just kind of adjust it a bit, then I think this works. So you now need to use in your shadow. So I'll be using this shadow right now, and I'll be positioning to the center. So like this. I think this is good. Let me just see. So you can increase the blur radius or you can reduce the blur radius depending on how you want to do it. So I can just like using the position over here, raise this up, and you can see it guys. So all good. Then you can just adjust it again, position it there, and let me just save the changes. Welcome to day 71 of today guys. So if you have benefited from the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video and share this video so you don't miss out anytime I drop new videos like this. So guys, you can see this over here. So what I need to do right now is just to kind of crop out this Nigeria cutoff hand, because that's what I want it to be there. I'm not in for any party, so I just need to like use this. Then so all resources are in my Telegram channel. Make sure you check it out, and if you need to request any design, it's available on the description of this channel. You can join the discussion group and then lay out your complaints or any design request. So I think this is good right now. So what I'm going to overwrite here is that I will just write for Senate iNEC official. So I don't know if that's a position in iNEC, but I think we can go with this. So what I'm going to be using over here for this text, I'm going to be using Montserrat. So it doesn't type in Montserrat. So I have my font pack in which I was able to give. So just make sure you join my Telegram community, you get everything you need. So I just delivered my front pack to the channel. You can just do it to check it out. So any update you need, Telegram channel provides it for you. So I can just do this over here. So guys, I think there is an issue. If you look at this rectangle right now, the rectangle isn't covering everything. So I can just position it to the left, and I think it's good. So I can just like adjust this neck position a bit, raise this up. So I think this looks more like it. So it's time for us to like work on the body of it. I can just hold this, and then I can just create another green text, and I'm going to copy it from the coat of arm because it's kind of Nigeria color. So this is Nigeria color code 286339. So I just do that. So I think it didn't take it, so let me just copy this again. Okay, so I think this one. So I'd love to make it more lighter by adjusting it. I need something really sharp, so I think this works. So I'll now take it to the back of him, and then I just need to adjust it like this. So how it's going to be matching the rectangle we also did. We're going to match in the rectangle, something like this. Don't know if this is good, so I think you guys, anything you're designing, you can just like do it yourself. And if you need a PLP file of this design, you can just request it. I think that would be good. So this is it, guys. So I think we're able to come up with it. Then I can just lock this again, then duplicate it, and then take another one to the back. When you take another to the back, you just need to use in the red color. So red color is what I'm going to use. I can just select on this, then this is the red color. So if you discover ID, so what we are going to do now is that we'll just take everything by clicking on it and then select it, and then we can just take it down. Yes, because of this place, like I don't want anything to be appearing here, since I did not take this command to the right hand side very well. So I think this is good. So I hope you guys are understanding this. So let me just save my changes right now, so I can just like put in the name and everything. So I can just like do that right now. So what you need to do is just to sit on this red, make it red, and then you can just use your perspective. So perspective, when doing it, is just very simple. Kind of perspective, take it to this side, then you can just take the other one here, and it's just going to give this kind of layout. So this is it. So you can use this to write for the vote. So I'll just like reduce it very well. Take this again. So it's going to be like this, as you can see right now. So this is it. So we'll still do some adjustments, but let's just know how everything will be placed. So I will just kind of write like a thick code. I don't know. Okay, I think this is good. I can make it red. So you can also download this from online, but it depends on the one you want to use. So I don't feel like downloading it when I can do it myself. I just pray it comes out well. If it doesn't come out well, we'll try and increase the width. So let's just manage it. So I'll be using the Montserrat font for this. Like I told you guys in my previous tutorials, I think when using the Montserrat means you are kind of creating a simple design for people to read. Because when creating flyers like this, it needs to be readable, it needs to be catchy, because most people that they are old, they don't normally see from afar, so everything needs to be detailed. So when I see designs like this and I discover that they have tiny text, it's not actually good. It's not actually good for visibility, because most people, once posted on like on a banner or anything, it will find it hard for them to read. So let everything be bold. So the only thing that is going to be a little bit tiny here is this vote I'm writing. So other things are really going to come out well. So I can just like take this position in there, take this one down. So I'll just write in barista, click on it, then take it here. So what I'm going to do right now is just using the Monstera to bold Italy. So you are going to find it in my channel, my Telegram channel. All the links are there. It's not paid, it's free. So I can just like put this position here so you guys can see how it is. So what you are going to do over here is to duplicate it. Just duplicate it. So I'm thinking of a name I'm going to use. Let's just use Emmanuel. Then so if you look at this Emmanuel right now, you discover that if I take it to the back, everything closes. And I told you guys before, we need something that's going to be really catchy. Needs to be. So what I'm going to do over here, we are not using it. We'll check for another font that is available. So I am seeing a lot of ones over here. So we can use this. We can use the low plus. Then you can reduce it. So when you reduce it, it can come out well. Then you can use your spacing. When using your spacing, it's going to be like this. So I think this is where it comes in. Kind of like, let's adjust this man like this. Yeah, so it can be bold. So it's going to be like this. I think I'll need to take him again. So size. 70 is good. 70 is good. So I can copy it again. Lock this layer. Take it to the back. So I can just use this name. So I can just lock this and then take this here, select everything, kind of adjust it a bit. Then we're going to use the Montserrat for this. I'll just write for greater good. Just put it here. Then you now look for the font by clicking on this font here, then clicking on Montserrat. Take it back. There is the position it to, and I think this is good. So I can just like copy this again and adjust it. I just use this positioning. Then let me just save the changes. So we're going to be writing something here on this section. So it's just going to be simple. You can just put anything kind of that. So you can just kind of put a signature here, like it's signed or approved or something like that. So I can just save this. So we import this iNeck logo. When we import it, I want to show you guys something. So I'll just remove this cut of arm. Let me just remove this. Let me remove the eye neck. I want the Nigeria logo only with the kind of voting there. So it's going to be like this, and then I just erase it. So some parts didn't clean. Can just copy this again and open it and clean it properly. So since it's like white and it's green mixed together, that's why it's like this. So this is, so when you're doing yours, just do everything perfectly. So what I need to do right now is to check which one that positions well. So you can see it's kind of like a slanty form. I just raise this to be bold. So it's going to be like this. I can just lock this and then I can copy it again. Then make sure everything is positioned properly. So you can see right now we're having two layers. So on the first layer over here, which is the down, I'm going to use the color of the ironing office to be like this. Then I'm going to use my max tool. And I'll click on out. So it's now going to be like this. Then I copy this also. Then I make it red. So it's going to be like this. I use my max tool where I cut it. I just raise it up. It's going to be like this. Copy my max again. Bring it down. It's going to be like this. So you guys can see right now. Then I can just adjust it. So I think something is showing up there. So this is how you can create something like this. So I can just clean this completely. Now you can see there's nothing. Save the changes. Then I'm just going to write something. So I can just put this. Then I'll use this. I kind of use like a gradient color for it. So it's not going to be like this. And then I can just use my Montserrat. I really love the fonts. Then use my spacing. I think spelling error is here. Let's. And let me just use semi-bold. So just try to adjust it. So I'm seeing some kind of mistake here. I'm just trying to see I can fit all of this into it. Okay. Think we're getting it. I'll bring this down. Okay. So I can now using the, I just like darken it. And guys, it's just going to be like this. It's just going to be like this. So I'll just use the font. position it here. Can lock this. Create another shape. So kind of use this gradient color for it. Can just take it here. So I'll just write this. Then I just using the font, so I'll now use Montserrat. So it's just going to be like this, and I think we are good. I think we're done. So guys, if you benefited from the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like video and share this video. So I'll show you guys how you can really create an amazing flyer design using your smartphone. And if that sounds interesting to you, I think you guys more like this will be coming. More different flyers in which can be used to upscale your graphic design work and then get paid using all of these methods that I'm going to teach you guys. So without much talk, I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay safe.